Here is our Dauphinoise potatoes. Beautiful, caramelized outside. We cut a little piece to see the layers. Look at that. That's beautiful, soft. So here is your holiday stuff. You cook this, cook some beef, some vegetables, some pies, and you're good to go. Who needs a turkey? That's it. Welcome to Basic Cooking with Chef Agnew. Today we're making Dauphinoise potatoes. So first of all, you gotta slice them thin. Don't put them in any water or anything like that. You need the starch. Next, you gotta make some mixture of heavy cream and 1 egg. For 3 ounce heavy cream, 1 egg mixed together. And then you're gonna take a melted butter and you're gonna brush your baking pan so it doesn't stick. You're gonna take a parchment paper. We don't have a parchment paper today, so we're gonna use aluminum foil, put it in the bottom, so it helps to unmold the potatoes. It's like you're making a cake. You're shingling all the potatoes together, and you're gonna bind them with cheese. You're gonna bind them with the cheese and with the mixture of eggs and cream and their own starch. So you just keep going, adding cheese, adding starch, adding the mixture of eggs and cream. So take some fresh gruyere cheese, which is similar to Swiss, but the good quality. If you don't have it, just use Swiss cheese, it's fine. Grate it and put it like that. Then add your mixture of egg and cream, salt and pepper. Again, more potatoes, you keep making layers. Then you're gonna take some shredded white cheddar, yellow cheddar, put it on top, so you have a little bit of mixture. Again, salt and pepper, and your mixture of cream. Shingle again the potatoes, and keep going doing the same thing. Then you're gonna add now again Swiss cheese or gruyere. You can season, salt and pepper, and then the cream and egg mixture. Again, another layer until you finish all the potatoes. So you need 3 large potatoes. And same thing again. So then you're gonna add the last Gruyere cheese, the last drops of liquid salt and pepper. You're gonna cover with parchment paper, plastic, and then the aluminum foil. That's gonna keep the moisture inside. Put aluminum foil in there. So wrap in plastic and aluminum foil. You're gonna bake in the oven, 350 degrees for like 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Then you're gonna check it, uncover it up, and put it back in the oven so it gets a crust. So total cooking usually goes around 40 minutes. Okay, let's check those potatoes. Make sure we're okay. This is the moment of the truth. Dauphinoise potatoes. Nice crust, looking good. So, I don't have those aluminum foil in the bottom. Should not be a problem to get this out. But you always want to tack it a little bit. It's something. Take it back. All right. Here she goes. Ta-da-ta-da. One, two. I think we made it. Oops, maybe not. Okay. Why is it sliding so much? It's magic. It's magic. We made it. So usually we use a parchment paper for this. But because I don't have any parchment paper, I use aluminum foil. Aluminum foil sticks a little bit. Just gotta go easy with it. Peel it out. So basically, I just want to give you the idea. You put a parchment paper in the bottom and you cook it with it. Now during this COVID thing, it's better to use whatever you have in the kitchen. Try to make up whatever you have, unless you don't want those unnecessary store trips if you can. At the same time, I'm trying to substitute and come up with different ways to do things. So this looks gorgeous anyway, beautiful. You want to make sure it's soft too. So it is a test. That's soft. It means it's fully cooked. Okay. So now we're going to flip it. Because you want to show off the crust on top. That's how you're going to serve it. You don't serve it like this. So, this spatula. And go back to same plate. Now the test will be like cutting it. That's it, it's done. Look at those layers. Take a little piece to taste. Some seasoning. It's very hot. Delicious. This is really good. I need more of this. Crispy, soft. Oh my God. Imagine this with a beef Wellington or anything. Look at that. My God, I forgot I'm filming. My apologies, this is so good. Just have to stay away. So you got a nice crust, soft, a lot of flavor, caramelization, perfect. This is a good thing because you can do this in Christmas or Thanksgiving. You can actually cook it a day before, or even 2 days or 3 days. All you do is cut a couple slices, put them in the microwave for a minute and a half, and you're done. Or you can reheat this in in the oven, and just serve it, but don't cook it again, because it's done. It just needs to be reheated. So if you put it in the oven, put it like I would put it in 250 degrees You just keep it warm, maybe for half an hour, 20 minutes before the guests arrive. But don't overcook it again. But this is beautiful, this is nice. Especially when it sits overnight, it's gonna be beautiful. The flavors are just gonna melt, and you get the cheese, the gruyere cheese, the Swiss cheese. They're really good brand. Oh man, and even the salt I put in there, it's like it's got the flavor of the, I don't want to show the brand, but it's a black truffle salt. You can see the truffle inside. So it's wonderful. Bon appetit. Here is our dish. Nice beef Wellington with beautiful duck sail, Hollandaise sauce. We get our Dauphinoise potatoes. Perfectly à la Francais. This is beautiful. I think you can do during your Thanksgiving or your Christmas. Who needs a turkey? Bon appetit.